Good afternoon, everybody. This is Will again here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. Just want to say welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little walk around on a 2023 20th anniversary edition Rubicon 392. And on top of that, this is also a AEV build. It's going to be featured in the Hydro Blue Pearl Coat. Now, I got this one out in the sun. Show you all the flake and the paint. I mean, this is a really good looking color. But we'll kind of walk around and get into it and show you some of the 20th anniversary edition, I guess, details that are on the interior and decals on the outside, and also discuss some of the AEV content or build upgrades that come along with this unit. So we'll start up here in the front. You got the AEV front and rear steel bumpers. You're also going to get the off-road lights, front trail cam, and a worn winch. Got these uniquely designed, looks like it says rugged ridged LED headlight. I want to say they're like a cover of some sort. Not too sure on that. Also got the fender extensions, painted fenders on top of that. And I might be saying these wrong, but this is the AEV Savegre II Wheels, like a matte black. And we got 37-inch BFG KO2s. This thing even comes with power steps. And you got some decals, level 2. Here's your Rubicon 20th edition decal. You even got one up on the hood. It's your 392 decal as well. Now check this interior out. I like this a lot. So you got the red guts, red and black Rubicon stitched 392 seats. Heck, this thing even has the Sky One Touch power top. I believe we've got the 8.4-inch touchscreen display. Really nice interior. Now let's check the mileage out while I got you guys here. Oh my God, only 6,181 miles on a 2023 model. This one just arrived here at the dealership. Very good condition. Even got little decals on the sides of the doors. 1941 with the Willis Jeep. Work our way around to the back. Got your LED tail lights as well. There's that rear AEV steel bumper. You also got a receiver hitch. Got a Baja Designs backup pod light. It's your fifth wheel. Also got another AEV decal over here. I really like the gold and black theme going along with this one. I mean, this thing is mint. There is not a scratch, a ding. I mean, whoever owned this one barely drove it and took very good care of it. I believe this is going to come with the, let's see, AEV RT 5100 series shock upgrade. So I think you're about a 2.5-inch lift on this bad boy. This one is available, you guys. This just arrived. I believe it's got to be one owner. Very low miles. And the Hydro Blue Pearl Coat. You got the 6.4 liter HEMI V8 underneath the hood. I mean, if this was a Jeep that I could afford, this would be the one. I mean, this is an absolute beautiful looking vehicle. Love the color. I love the interior. And then, of course, I love the AEV build in and of its own. But I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Be sure to check out our website, you all, crossjeep.com. Give us a call anytime at 502-537-1738. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a wonderful day.